How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, it finally happened as we knew it would. There was a pre-release sale of a DJI Air 2S by a man who runs a channel called Offroad Drones. He starts off the video by showing us the box and telling us that it's his first drone. As you can see here, this drone box is the exact same one as last week's leak photo. He goes on to explain that he doesn't know much about drones since it's his first one, so he lists out all the key features in the item description. So all those questions about ISO, shutter speed, and camera resolution are now answered. The rest of the video goes on something like this. He goes around 360 of the drone, showing you the front sensors, the camera, the side sensors, and also the back sensors. He flips it upside down to show you the bottom sensors and indicator light, and then he shows you the startup guide and the safety instructions. I've added a link to this video description to his channel so you can watch the full video and possibly subscribe so you can see his first use of the drone. But we'll have to wait for the 15th since officially the app doesn't support the drone since it's not released yet. Since he was able to go to the store and just pick one up, I suggest you go to your local electronics store and see if you can get one yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.